Continuing with part AII for question 12, we now want to show that A is approximately 24,800. So notice that I've highlighted the word approximately here. Typically, we don't want to round until the very end when we give our answers in our A-level mathematics exams. However, in this case, because we're just showing that A is approximately 24,800, it means we can use our rounded value of P to 4 decimal places that we got in part AI. So let's do that, and let's pick one of our previous equations with the corresponding values that we need. So I'm going to pick equation 2. So then I'm using the value of V as 50,000 and the value of T as 11. So then if I just write down the expression, I'm using V equals A times P power T. I'm using a value of V as 50,000 A times P, but I'm using the rounded value of P to 4 decimal places. So that's 1.0658 to the power of 11, because I'm using T equals 11. So all I have to do is rearrange and make A the subject. So A is 50,000 divided by 1.0658 to the power of 11. So now all you need to do is plug these numbers into your calculator, and you should get the required value for A. So you should get that A is roughly 24,805. But of course, so that's A rounded to the nearest whole number, because we are initially told that A and P are constants. So if we make sure that this is a constant term so that it is a whole number, it rounds to 24,805, and that is approximately 24,800, which is the answer required. So in the next video, we're going to look at part B.